Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry sangria. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, without further ado, let's dive right into today's cocktail. Alright, so for this cocktail I'm going to use Brazilian rum, orange liqueur, sparkling rosé, simple syrup, fresh strawberries, and lemon juice. Alright, I'm going to separate 3 strawberries into a mixing glass. Here comes the simple syrup. Next, I'm going to muddle it. Now I'm going to add some ice. Next, we're going to add 1 ounce of fresh lemon juice. 1 ounce of Brazilian rum. Half ounce of orange liqueur. Now I'm just gonna shake it. And I'm gonna throw some strawberries in the wine glass. Some lemon wheels. Put some mint. I'm gonna add ice. Now I'm just gonna strain it. And I'm just gonna top it up with sparkling rosé. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a strawberry sangria. Alright, if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, drop those likes, and as always, until the next one, cheers!